Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we're going to discuss SOS Only on iPhone problem. If your iPhone says SOS Only, it means your phone can only make emergency calls and has no normal cellular signal. Don't worry, here are the fastest ways to fix it. What SOS Only means. Your iPhone cannot connect to your carrier, but it can still call emergency services. This usually happens because of network issues, SIM problems, or setting errors. Quick fixes. Turn airplane mode on and off, and this is a very quick option in order to fix this issue. So you just have to swipe down, turn the airplane mode on your phone, then wait for 10 seconds and turn it off again. This refreshes your network connection. Number 2, restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on. Simple but very effective. Number 3, check cellular settings. Go to settings, then cellular, then make sure cellular data is on. Tap cellular network selection and turn automatic on. Number 4, reinsert the SIM card. Power off your iPhone, remove the SIM card, clean it gently, insert it back and restart. Check for carrier updates. Go to settings, general, about, wait a few seconds. If an update pops up, install it. Number 6, reset network settings. This one, delete your data. Go to settings, then general, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, reset network settings, then enter passcode and confirm. If it still says SOS only, your carrier may be having an outage, your SIM may be damaged or inactive, or your iPhone may be carrier logged. Contact your carrier for a SIM replacement or network check. And that is it. One of these fixes should solve the SOS only problem fast. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.